first order up is a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is like $5 and change going 2 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. This is a Starbucks, $6 going like 3 miles. Thank you. You too. That order was so fast. It took like 5 minutes, and a couple of those minutes were actually waiting for the order to get packaged up, so that could have been like a 3-minute order. Got the next order. This is a 7-Eleven pickup, $6 and change going about 3 miles.
Our 14-inch bacon lovers pizza has a smoky, sweet baby raised barbecue.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just got the next order. This is a Black Rock coffee, $7 going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. There you are.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you're good.
Next up is an IHOP. This one is $9 going just about 6 miles. Hey, this would be on the top floor. Got the next order. This is a stack going to the same person, I think. This is Carl's Jr. and a shop and deliver for alcohol, I think. Only one item. $12 going like 6 miles, I think. Lots of thinking here because I barely saw it before I got time to accept it.
Have a nice day.
You too. Just one of these Absolute vodkas. Got this next order right away. It is another shop and deliver for alcohol. $20 going 9 miles, 4 items. Oh, excuse me. Do you have a key for this? I need Jim Beam. It's a
75?
yeah, the small ones, and then the 1.75 liter as well. Give me 1 second. Service is kind of wonky over here. I have no service. Finally got the next order. This is a Chick-fil-A, $4 and change going not even half a mile. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Voodoo Donut and Victorino's, the double V. This is $7 going like 2 miles. Thank you. You too. Going back to Victorino's for this one. This is $10 going 6.5 miles. Hello. Alyssa?
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Next order up is a Krispy Kreme. This is $9 going 6.5 miles.
There it is.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too. For Jace?
Yep.
There you are. This is a McDonald's. $7 going about 4 miles.
Uber?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Alright, I'm getting nothing but trash now, so I guess that's a good time to call it. Current time is 9:41. Current total is 102, and just waiting on one Uber tip, which should bring it up to 107, 108. I was kind of worried I was going to get rained on today because clouds were clouding, but luckily I only got sprinkled on. pause. I don't know about that one. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.